3-for-1 Ottoman. Use it for seating, storage, or even as a side table. Welcome to the ultimate home decor must-have, the 3-in-1 Ottoman. Whether you need extra seating, hidden storage, or a stylish side table, this multifunctional piece does it all. Today, we're going to show you how this versatile ottoman can transform your living space, adding both practicality and elegance to your home. A 3-in-1 ottoman is the ultimate multitasker in home decor. Offering a blend of functionality, style, and space-saving benefits. Here's why it's a must-have for any living space. 1. Seating. The ottoman can serve as a comfortable, compact seating option, perfect for accommodating extra guests or lounging. Its cushioned top provides comfort without taking up the space that a traditional chair or sofa would. Whether placed in the living room, bedroom, or even a home office, it's a versatile piece that adds flexible seating in a stylish way. 2. Storage. One of the standout features of a 3-in-1 ottoman is its hidden storage. Lift the top to reveal ample space for stowing away items like blankets, books, toys, or seasonal decor. This functionality is perfect for keeping your living area clutter-free, making the ottoman both a chic and practical addition to any room. 3. Side table. The ottoman easily transforms into a side table by simply placing a tray on top. This turns it into a perfect surface for drinks, snacks, or even decorative accents like candles or vases. Its dual purpose helps maximize space, especially in small areas where every piece of furniture needs to serve more than one role. Conclusion. A 3-in-1 ottoman brings together seating, storage, and surface space, all in one compact piece. Its functionality and style make it a smart investment for any home, enhancing your living space while keeping things organized and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're entertaining guests or relaxing with a book, this versatile ottoman has got you covered. So there you have it. The perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality all wrapped up in one incredible piece of furniture. Whether you're using it for extra seating, clever storage, or as a chic side table, the 3-in-1 ottoman is a game changer for any home. If you're ready to elevate your living space, this versatile ottoman is a must-have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching.